Model, 2016 Citroen Relay 35 L3H2 HDi 130 6-speed Enterprise needs injectors, replacing. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 156994. Engine, 2198 cc 4H Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts and runs with a misfire, needs multiple injectors replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Check engine light on the dash, fault codes for at least 2 injectors. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, cruise control, electric windows, parking sensors, air-con. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £4,595 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.